Welcome to the best picks. The best rear filler kit is probably one of the most overlooked components when it comes to achieving a polished kitchen aesthetic with a slide-in range. That unsightly gap between your range and the wall? It's a common problem, but thankfully, there's a simple solution. Today, we're diving deep into the world of rear filler kits, exploring why they're essential for a flawless finish and how to choose the perfect one for your kitchen. Number 5. Whirlpool and most brands slide-in range gap filler. Tired of food and debris falling into that hard-to-clean space behind your slide-in range? This gap filler is designed to solve that problem. It fits most top brands, preventing messes and creating a cleaner kitchen. This triangularly shaped kit is designed for a universal fit. With 3 different widths, you can choose the perfect surface to match your gap. It's suitable for gaps up to 2.7 inches wide and 30 inches long. Made from premium black aluminum, this filler offers high heat and corrosion resistance. The laser-cut edges ensure safe handling and easy cleaning. It gives your range a custom, built-in appearance. Installation is a breeze, requiring no appliance disassembly or repair experience. Following the included instructions, you can have it installed in just minutes. It's a quick and simple solution. The kit includes a triangular fill strip, mounting brackets, screws, and installation instructions. If you're not completely satisfied, our professional after-sales service team is here to help. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like? This kit offers a universal fit, making it compatible with most brands. Its premium aluminum construction ensures durability and a sleek look. If you're looking for an easy-to-install solution that enhances your kitchen's aesthetics and functionality, you should consider this. What people say. This was the perfect thing to close that gap. And it really looks nice in my kitchen. This filler prevents things from falling in the oven vents and so much easier to clean. Fill the gap between our new range and the Backsplash perfectly. No gap. Number 4. Whirlpool W10113901A Rear Filler Kit. This is a genuine OEM part from Whirlpool, designed specifically for your appliance. It meets Whirlpool's engineering standards, ensuring the quality you expect. This accessory, W10113901A, is a direct replacement for several other part numbers. It's designed to fit and function perfectly, just like the original. It is compatible with KitchenAid range model KESS 907P and other slide-in ranges. Make sure this is the right fit for your appliance. This kit fills gaps behind slide-in ranges that measure 2 to 5/8, 2 to 1/4, or 1 to 1/2 inches. It provides a clean, finished look for your kitchen. Don't settle for aftermarket accessories. This kit is made of high-quality stainless steel, offering the durability and consistency your appliances deserve. The complete kit includes a triangular fill strip, mounting brackets, screws, and installation instructions. It is everything you need for a quick and easy setup. For over 100 years, Whirlpool has been dedicated to caring for your appliances. That's why they use durable materials and innovative processes in their replacement parts. What we like? This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring the highest quality and perfect fit for your Whirlpool range. Crafted from stainless steel, it offers both durability and a modern aesthetic. If you value quality and want a reliable solution, you should choose it. What people say. It's triangular so will fit 3 ways, depending on how you rotate it. The filler color and texture matched my range perfectly and completely fills in the rear gap. The product is very smartly made. It is triangle, so depending on what spacing you need, it's just a simple rotation to achieve different sizes. Number 3. Stove Gap Filler, Stainless Steel Backsplash. Do you hate cleaning up crumbs that fall between your stove and the wall? This gap filler is the perfect solution. It prevents food from falling into those hard-to-reach spaces. This universal stove gap filler is designed to fit most stove brands and models. Before purchasing, make sure to measure the gap behind your stove to ensure a perfect fit. It's compatible with brands like WP and GE. Installing this slide-in range rear filler kit is incredibly easy. You won't need to disassemble your appliance or have any repair experience. You can have it installed in just 10 minutes, thanks to the included fixing brackets. Made from premium 304 stainless steel, this gap filler is heat-resistant, durable, and strong. The brushed surface has a shiny texture that complements your stove's appearance. It's built to last and easy to clean. This gap filler comes in 2 different widths to accommodate various gap sizes. It's suitable for gaps that measure 1 or 2.25 inches wide. This flexibility makes it easy to find the perfect fit for your kitchen. What we like. Made of high-quality stainless steel, this kit is designed to withstand heat and resist corrosion. It's easy to install and comes with 2 different widths to fit your specific gap. If you are looking for a durable and flexible solution to keep your kitchen clean, you should consider this. What people say. Measure well to get an exact fit. Easy to install and does the job keeping drips, dust, and debris from behind the stove. It's the best. Fit perfectly at the gap. Nice quality and looks as if it was part of my range. Simple fix for a problem that has bothered me for years. I used adhesive shelf brackets rather than the screws the manufacturer provided. It was simpler to install that way. Number 2. Whirlpool Universal Range Filler Trim Kit. Is there a gap between your slide-in range and the wall? This kit is designed to solve that problem. It provides a clean, finished look. This filler trim kit is compatible with Whirlpool and most other brands. It's a versatile solution for various slide-in ranges. It is easy to install. Made from durable aluminum, this trim kit is built to last. It can withstand the heat and wear of everyday kitchen use. The silver finish complements most kitchen styles. Installing this kit is a breeze. It's designed for a quick and easy setup. You can easily improve the look of your kitchen. The silver color of the trim kit adds a modern touch to your kitchen. It blends seamlessly with your existing appliances. It's a simple upgrade with a big impact. What we like. This kit offers a universal fit, making it compatible with most brands. Its durable aluminum construction ensures longevity. If you are looking for a simple and effective solution to fill the gap behind your slide-in range, you should consider it. What people say. Fits well on my 36-inch stove. Fixed the gap between the stove and the wall. Fit perfectly. Looks great. Easy to install. Number 1. Whirlpool and most brand 30 slide-in range gap filler. Tired of crumbs and spills disappearing into the abyss behind your range? This gap filler is designed to solve that problem. It prevents food and debris from falling into those difficult-to-reach areas, keeping your kitchen cleaner. This kit is incredibly versatile. Its triangular shape allows it to fit gaps of different widths. Simply rotate it to achieve the perfect fit for your specific needs, making it suitable for most ranges. Made from premium black aluminum, this filler strip is both beautiful and built to last. It's heat-resistant and corrosion-resistant, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of daily use in the kitchen. You don't need any special tools or skills to install this. The process is straightforward, and the included instructions will guide you through every step. You'll have a clean, finished look in just a few minutes. The kit includes everything you need for a seamless installation. It comes with the filler strip, sealant, scrapers, tape, brackets, screws, and instructions. If you have any questions, we're here to help. What we like. The triangle-shaped design offers flexibility for different gap sizes. The all-around clean design makes it easy to maintain a tidy kitchen. If you want a versatile and easy-to-clean solution, you should consider this. What people say. The kit is specifically designed to fill the gap between the back of the slide-in range and the adjacent cabinetry or wall, creating a seamless transition and preventing debris from accumulating in hard-to-reach areas. The trimmable design allows for customization to fit various range widths and kitchen configurations, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Made from high-quality materials, the filler kit is built to withstand the rigors of daily use and maintain its appearance over time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.